What's up, YouTube world? This is your boy Kiwi Jackson. I got a 2001 F-150 that I'm going to replace the seatbelts, passenger and driver side. Let me show you real quick. So, start by removing this panel. Get your 8mm. Get yourself a T50. One more. This is a new one. It's aftermarket. I'm gonna make it fit. I mean, everything pretty much is simple, straightforward. So let's see. Let's do it. Like I said, everything's pretty much self-explanatory. This goes on here. Damn. So this one goes inside here, and then it goes inside here. But I gotta take it off. I'll show you guys real quick. Done.